This video, I'm going to show you how to change Discord profile picture without Nitro on mobile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device and sign into your account. Now go ahead and click on the back button at the top left corner of your screen and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. And here, go ahead and click on the edit profile button to be able to edit your profile on Discord. And this will redirect you here. And here, go ahead and click on the pencil icon, which you'll find in your Discord profile, and click on the upload image button. Since uploading image on Discord doesn't require you to have a Nitro subscription, so in here, just go ahead and select the source of your photo. As for me, I'll just go ahead and click on the photos button. Now in here, go ahead and select the album where you want to get the photo that you want to incorporate with your Discord account. So just go ahead and open the photo. After that, you can resize the photo, rotate it, and scale it better. So just go ahead and click on the check icon at the top right to save this, and click on the save button to confirm saving this profile picture for your Discord account. And that's how you can simply change your profile picture on Discord mobile without the Nitro subscription.